Just starting a new broadcast here after our performance over the past couple of days, losing accounts. We've decided to go back to simulation. No shame in that. We're going to be doing simulation here. This is an account we've been simulating before. Starting around 300k, 302, 194. That's where we're starting. We're gonna try to refine our strategies before going back to the evaluation process, and we'll see how that goes. We'll try that for a couple of days, maybe a week or so, just to get back to the fundamentals. Play around with size a little bit, do some optimization using the live market. So we'll see how that goes, and we've disclosed that it is a where is it? That it is a simulation account. When you create simulation accounts, they all start with sim. You can see this here in the top corner. It has sim, the account name of put down after it. So just for transparency there, got our gross realized P&L. We've also got commissions added as well. So we'll see how we go in the next coming days or so. Let's just have a look what happened in the market. So we had some news. We can clearly see news here around about 8:30. Had a strong move down, consolidation into the open, and into the open we can see we've had a strong sell-off here on NQ. Came all the way down beyond that 32.75, had the bounce, put in a series of higher lows, broke to the upside. So we're slowly recovering this move to the downside, but we have some way to go back above 900 to recover the losses from the initial open, not the pre-market losses, but from the initial open here on NQ, around about the 920s or so. We're at 870s, so about 50 or so points before we get back to where we were at the open. But as you can see, past 2 hours or so, haven't made any significant lower lows. Made higher highs, so we'll see if we can break this high here at 893, or if we will pull back towards that 841 or so here on NQ. Market has been moving a bit sideways here for about nearly an hour. We've moved sideways during lunch here. Let's see. This is the sideward range we've been in for about an hour, so about 94 down to 41. Fairly sizable range. So we'll see what we can do here on ES. I'm just going to go into mute. Seeing the breakdown there, looks like we've put in a lower high. So we've got a high. Seeing a breakdown here, retesting. Looks like we're going to come in towards 51.75 to retest those lows. Fairly sizable bearish candle there. See if there's going to be follow through or whether we're going to reverse the entire candle. Interesting to see. Let's just see here. One of the changes we've made, you can see we've started looking at the 1 minute chart here. Before past couple of sessions we've been looking at 30-second. Looking at a 1 minute chart, just slowing things down a little bit here. Using the higher, using a bigger time frame. Seeing those buyers step in, strong move down, buyers are stepping in at the moment. Interesting. Okay, seeing a little bit of weakness here. A little bit of weakness. If we do go short, we're shorting into the lows. I'm just going to go short.
Order filled.
Just going to go short. And let's see where we can go here. Just going to go short just right there. Couple lots. I'd say 48. Just going to see if we can get 48 here. Just going to see if we can get 48. Okay. Just going to adjust our stop down a little bit here. This market turns around. Don't want to be holding it for too much. There is a risk of market coming down towards that 53, finding support, turning around and getting our stop, but looking for that move down towards that 48, slightly below these lows, not quite at these lows, just here around 43.50. So see if we can get towards that 48 here. Appear to have built a slight lower high here. Looks like we're going to be taking it out. And yeah, it's not great. We've just taken out what would be a lower high there. So it looks like we're going to be stopped out here. Momentum should have ideally come in, followed through to the downside. Tell you what, just going to adjust my stop a little bit here. Just give it a little bit more room. Those could be fatal words. Fatal words here. Problem with giving it more room, messing up the risk reward here. Okay. So shorted into this area of support. Didn't even quite get towards the lower end of support. Seen a buying come back in. Just gonna place the stop outside of normal volatility of the range. So outside the volatility of the range, let's see what we're doing here. Might be a bit too far. I'm just going to see. Have a look at what some of the adjustments we can make. Let's just see if we can get this stop down a little bit. Just gonna move the stop down a little bit here. Let's see if we can get this market down towards that 48. See if we can get our stop just up around about these highs over here. Let's see if we can see that breakdown. Buyers have stepped back in again. Goodness me. Let's see. Seems this market doesn't want to follow through. Candle like this, strong bearish candle. Would have hoped that the market would follow through to the downside, having difficulties. Usually a big candle like this, having difficulties going down. You probably see a reverse of that initial candle. That's what I'm thinking about at the moment as prices hover around break even. Do I risk what would be 72 down to 58? About 14 or so point candle. Do I risk that and reverse the position for a move to go back to test the high? So let's change it up a bit. So do I risk this candle, so the 14 points of the candle body, for the move to reverse to get towards the highs of 72? The market seems to be struggling here to break down. That's what the thinking is at the moment. I'm thinking of, you know what, I'm just going to hold it. I'm just going to hold this trade here. Even though we're struggling to break down, I'm just going to hold, see if we can get down towards our 48. Looks like we're going to go for that 72 that we were talking about. Struggles to break down after a big candle, complete reversal. Currently 5 points from that 72. Still holding short. Still holding short. See, we've got a couple contracts on. It's in our favor just a little bit at the moment. Coming to retest the lows. Currently wicking off the lows. So we are seeing buyers step in. Couldn't quite have a strong close below the low, so still not close below the low here. On the 1 minute. Still haven't closed below the lows, so we've not quite accepted lower here. We'd like to see us close below 51.75, essentially 52, and a breakdown towards that 48 we're looking at. So some danger here because we are looking for a break of recent support, which may not be the smartest thing to do. Let's see, recently the market has been being bought up for the past 2 hours. Looking for a break of support, probably not the wisest thing. There we are, we're seeing buying again. Does it show where I'm short? Oh, it just shows it there. I'm about to see a long signal here, but I'm still short. Definitely not the kind of thing I want to see when I'm short. Okay. Well, we will. We'll see if we can get out for oh, it doesn't look like it. Yeah, there we go. So mention that 72, and we would have hit that 72 there. So the level that we were talking about, big candle, struggling to break down, market reversing, taking out the high of that candle, and that's pretty much what we saw. It's pretty much what we saw. So we're still short at the moment. Hoping we can close below that 56, which was the low of this candle here. Again, we're getting wicked up. Just got a short signal, but off a wick up. Not really a fan, to be honest. Not with the buy up of support. Not a fan at all. So continue to hold one position. And the support's holding for far too long. I'll just try and get out. Let's see. Try get out for break even. If the market lets me. Not sure if it will. But I'll just try get out for break even. Just waiting here. Looks like I'm about to be filled.
Target
there we
filled.
go. Just got out for break even. Didn't like the fact that we kept getting bought up here off this support. Not sure if we're going to get that 48, but decided to just get out for break even. Certainly is room to the downside towards that 47 or so before looking at that key level around 41, but this consolidation range here, this recent support, again we're seeing buyers come into the market around this zone. Struggling to see the breakdown. Especially here on this 1 minute chart. It's kind of amazing thinking about it that we've doubled the time frame from 30 seconds to 1 minute, and what we're seeing is see a lot of volume coming here, so might just take a long here.
Order filled.
So let's take a long. Okay. And we'll just place our stop. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Same bullish volume. Decided to go long. The market breaks down. Great. Let's see. So we'll just place our stop below these lows just here, a couple of ticks, a couple of ticks below these lows. I was expecting to see buying come into the market here off this bullish candle. Oh, sorry, wrong chart. Off this bullish candle, but not at the moment. Still hanging around this support. With this being NQ, probably a couple of ticks below the swing low may not be the best thing to do, so give it a little bit more room. But oh wow. So the initial shorts looking a lot better now. But I allowed the difficulties encountered on the long to influence my decision. Seeing the constant pullback, decided to go long, so took off the short for a break even. Decided to go long, seeing more selling here. Yeah, looks like we're about to be stopped out. Looks like the previous trade that we're looking to get at 48. Yep, that would have hit target. And we've been stopped out on that long that we took. So this long that we took, we stopped out. Our initial short that we got out of early for break even, that happened to actually work. So we'll stay on the sidelines. There is still room here to the downside. For the market to go, of course. Seeing this buy up here off that 47. A fairly strong move here. Let's just see. Very strong at the moment. Can we get to 62? Be interesting to see. Strong move. Strong move here. A lot of volume coming in.
Order filled.
Just gonna go long there. Expecting more follow through here to the upside. Seeing that bullish buying momentum coming off that 47 there. Just looking to go long. Take us up towards these moving averages. Oh, come on. That's retraced far too low for my liking. I was expecting an initial surge to follow through to the upside. Looks like I'm about to be stopped out again. That's a bad.
Stop
stopped
fill.
out again. Oh wow. Okay. So we're seeing a break of these lows. Let's see. Beyond those lows, looking for a move down to 19. So if we were to go short, looking for a move down to 19.
Order filled.
Short. The level to the downside would be 19. Let's see if we follow through from this breakdown towards the 19 here to the downside. Goodness me, we're seeing buy side volume coming. Not again. Let's see if we can hold below this 41. for the move down towards that 19. That's the next level to the downside. Broke and closed below these lows. Can we make a new low? We did by a tick. Can we close below those lows around 34.50? Can we close below there? Good move there, especially for our short. Want to see a close below that 34.50. Don't want to see a weak bit above. Can we get that close below? Yep, we've had a close below, so hopefully now we see the follow through down towards 19 here on NQ. I'm probably just going to adjust my stop and come off the mic. So let's see where the stop would be. So let's take the stop at the HL. Let's see what we can do here. Can we get down towards that 19? So in at 38, down to 19, that's 19 points.
Target
There
filled.
we go. Actually hit target. So recovered back a little bit here. We're seeing some volume come in here on these shorts. Seeing some volume come in here on these shorts. Seeing that volume there on the shorts. So the initial idea was correct on the short. Taught myself out. Went long again, essentially revenge. Managed to recover some of the losses. So just going to go into mute. Seeing that breakdown of 19. Currently retesting it. What's up with my charts? Currently retesting at 19, so we broke down as low as 02. Seeing this bounce here all the way up towards this moving average ribbon, rejecting it at the moment. You can see with the wicks about to have a second rejection. We're seeing some bearishness here. Just gonna go short. I was looking for follow through on that short here. Let's see. Let's see. Looking for, so we took the short on the rejection of the moving average there. Looking for a move back down towards the lows. Seeing prices come up. Sold, closed bearish. Was looking for the move back down. Looks like I'm about to be stopped out. Yeah, I'm just gonna close it. Hold on. So I went short on the rejection of the level.
Order filled.
So I just got out for another loser. So closed above the level. I'm looking at the rejection. Thought we'd reject the 19 and sell off, but we've closed above the level, so just get out. I was expecting follow through. Didn't quite see that. So just giving back quite a bit. Just be on the sidelines for a little bit here. Interesting that we've come into this zone where we've had this consolidation in the past. Let's get that. This is a zone of consolidation. And now we're seeing that buying coming to the market. Didn't identify the zone before. Just there, around 10:40 Eastern Standard Time, coming towards that zone. Let's see. So we're back below. So I'll go
order filled.
Let's see. Back below, so I'm short again. Looking for a move down towards the lows. Oh wow, looks like, no, it was a close off the lows, okay. So, let's just, not going to place the take profit at the very lows, we'll just put it slightly above it. So we're looking for a move down towards those lows. Close below that 19 area. Decided to go short, let's see. if we pick up our target here, a couple ticks away, could say a couple points away actually. Come on. Let's see. Looking for that move to come down towards those lows. It's having difficulties at the moment. Volume is in favorable to us at the moment in terms of being bearish. Coming in towards the previous lows here, hoping we don't have a bit of a double bottom with a higher low. Got one or two in here. There we go. It looks like it's putting in that higher low double bottom. I don't think I'm going to get out and close back above the level. What I'll do is allow it to hit my stop if it does do that. Inverted hammer, my nemesis from yesterday. I was in a short, saw a hammer candle, I held, the market turned around and hit my stop. Let's see if that happens for a second time. Looks likely. Goodness me.
Stop
And
fill.
I was stopped out. Inverted hammer again. So you can see we're down on the day. Oh wow. Really strong buy side momentum coming in here. Lows, higher lows, seeing this surge here. Of course got that 41, but really must be looking at that possible 47. If we take the long here, we're looking for that move up towards that 47. But a long here is not part of the plan, so we'll wait. Wow. Buyers took that really strongly upwards.
Order submitted.
Just gonna go long here. If I can get filled. Let's see if I can get filled here.
Order filled.
So we're in long. Looking to see if we can reverse here back towards that 47. Not part of the this should be disqualified because it's below the midpoint of the day on 300F, but based off that initial strength of the surge, we're going to take it looking for that level of 47. Let's just have a look here. Let's see. 47 isn't a level for today, actually. Don't like the fact that we've seen 3 bearish candles and looks like we're going to put in a 4th. Not a fan of that. Just gonna go on mute. We'll see if we can get towards that 47. So we'll just mark it on the chart. Round about there. Seem to be having some difficulties here. Certainly shouldn't be breaking these 27 lows. Certainly not. Risk reward on this is fairly negative. Currently we're down 76 points on the day. Interesting. So about 900, just above 900, we've got flat on the day. It's above 900, we're flat on the day. Just going to go into mute.
Target filled.
So we're back, and we can see we've hit our target. Hit our target around at 47. Managed to recover some of our losses, but still losing at the moment. Just waiting for another opportunity to go long. Well, initially we should be looking to go short, but let's see. Initially should be looking to go short, but we've had prices come into this consolidation area here. Found support there. Now we're heading to the upside. To the upside, we've got that 75. About 25 or so points away. Right. See what that is. Just had a surge there. So a surge in momentum, HLP, and if this was to follow through, oh wow, yeah, there we go.
Order
Just gonna
filled.
go long. Just had that surge in momentum. Do seem poised here to head towards that 71.50 off that surge. Seeing that volume come in here. Looking for that follow through to 71.50. Only issue we have here is sometimes with a surge we can get a pullback. 71.50 is what we're looking at here. Aligned perfectly with these highs. We'll look to see if we can get that. Momentum is slowly heading towards our target of that 71.50. Currently as high as 66.75. Not very far. Hoping we don't turn around before getting there. Seeing volume, but I don't like this wick that we seem to be developing. I'd like to see this close near its high. Seeing strong momentum here. Looking for this to go near the close near its highs. I think I might just add here Just waiting for it.
Order filled.
Just gonna add there. Looking for that move. I'm gonna add, but I'm also gonna take my target down to take it down by a point to 70.50. So target down 70.50. So we've added, moved our target down to 70.50. So let's just move this down. So this is down to 70.50. So no longer 71.50. We moved it down to 70.50. Let's see if we can get that move up towards that level now. Just need another surge here. The add could be risky, but we decided to take it. Just going to take off that add. I'm not going to give it the same stop as the previous trade. What we're seeing here, 60. Just going to have a look, make sure there isn't something I've missed. No, it doesn't appear to be. Still looking for that 70.50. Goodness me. There was this risk of us double topping, making a lower high before heading towards the 70.50s. There was that risk. Decided to take it. Also added pretty high. So we'll see. We'll either do one of two things. It'll either work out or it won't. So about 10 points from, let's see where we close here. 10 seconds to close. 3 seconds to close. So a bit of a doji. Let's see if we can close above the highs, which is 61 on this next candle. Or whether we just simply wick off, close below and sell off. So we've had this surge up. So we got 1, 2. So off this second leg, move up to 75, but we're looking for 70. We'll see. See if we can close above the highs of this candle here. Looking for a close above 61. 11 seconds to go. 5 seconds to go. just had a bit of a surge at the end. So 66.75 with that surge possibly coming to focus. Closing near the highs. So 65.75 should come into focus. 3. Having some difficulties at the moment. That's not what we want to see. Not after 65.75 to 67 range. I want to see a break of that level. Looks like we're going to get there. Another close higher than the previous high. So we're looking fairly bullish at the moment. Goodness me. So having difficulties around this area here. Still looking for that surge towards that 70.50, which would take us up to the upper portion of these highs. In hindsight, it looks like I bought pretty high. Just want to see a quick momentum pop, break these highs, take us up to the 70s. What happens after that, I'm not worried about. We're into this range we identified before. We're at the third lower high of that range. I was expecting prices, well, initially I said 75, but just hit 71.50. After the ad, to take it down to 70.50. Let's see. It looks like just retested the previous highs of around 67. Just broke through. Looking for momentum here. Looking for that momentum to follow through. There we go. Should get our 70.50. A couple of ticks away. Goodness me. 68.75. Couple of ticks away. 68.75. Goodness me, how close was that? How close was that? Closed above the previous highs. Question is now, should I have taken profit? Should I have trailed more aggressively? This entire move is being given up on this candle. The thing is, I want to give this market enough room to get to my targets. That's the thing. I want to give it enough room to get to my targets. So we've got a bit of a hammer candle there. Pin bar, bearish. Hoping to see a break of its size around 68.50. If it sells off though, could be in some serious trouble. These inverted hammers are absolutely Look at that. Close at pretty much the lows. Goodness me. $66.50. Got to a high of 67. Ideally want to close above 67. The previous highs. Nope, didn't close above it, which is not good. A bullish candle nonetheless though, off this moving average, so we'll see. Continue to hog this moving average. Looking for that move back up to 69. So we were about 6 ticks away. Looks like we're going to 69. Can we just see that quick momentum burst? Alright. Looking for that quick momentum burst through the highs. Looking for that quick momentum burst through the highs. 69. There we go. Not a quick momentum burst, just a couple ticks there. A couple more ticks. About 4 ticks away from my target. Closed pretty much where we closed the last time, around 68.25. So it's about 8 ticks away from, well, 10 ticks away from my target. Just 8 ticks just then on that move up. There we go.
Target filled.
Got it. So actually got our target right there. That 71.50 would have been a hit. And price has gone up towards that 75. So managed to get back positive on the day. It was not easy. This is the kind of move I was looking to see, but didn't initially get it. Hope through midpoints on the day. Still in this range here, up to 93. Interesting. Let's see if we have that follow through here to the upside. Let's just see. Just gonna go back onto mute. Seeing this strong move here to the upside. Looks like we're going to get towards the top of the range here, around 92.25. Strong move here, broke these highs, bit of a pullback, poised to retest these highs as well. So seeing that this move supported by volume. Just going to stay on the sidelines for a little bit here. Just going to mute. Based on the strength of this market, it looks poised to head towards that 903. Seeing this initial pullback from that 96.50. Let's see if we have more selling momentum here, or whether we're going to have immediate buy side momentum. We see immediate buy side momentum. I may look to go long here, looking for that move up to 903. Be a bit late in the day, but a bit late in the trend. Let's see. Bit of a doji there, so somewhat of an indecisive candle. Looking for that move up towards 903. Let's just put that there. 903. Move up, pull back, brief pullback, surge. Bit of a bull flag. Could we have another flag break? Interesting. Let's see what we do here. NQ can be deceptive at times.
Order submit. Order filled.
Looking for that 903. I'll look for, I'll take it off at 902.50. Just going to use a tighter stop. Just going to use a tight stop on this one. Don't want to give up too much. Looking for that 902.50, so not quite that 903, just below it. I want to get out just below it. See that initial surge? I need that surge to take me above that 99.50. I'm not a fan of that pullback I've just seen there. I want to see this close above 96.50. Currently having difficulties, closed pretty much at 96.50. Did not want to see that. What's just happened there? Let's go see what's just happened. Okay, so that's YM currently up 200. Okay, YM's up quite a bit today. So I was looking for that close above 96.50 for the follow through. Seems 96.50 is going to act as resistance here. Goodness me. Looking for that 903, which was beyond it. Still going to be a bit patient here. Going to respect my stop. If I do get stopped out, I get stopped out. Looking for that bull flag, continuation, break to the upside, but NQ can be deceptive. So I could see that breakdown below that flag. I could see that breakdown below that flag. Take us down towards, say, 78. We'll stick with our initial assessment. Let's see if we can close above this 96.50 here. Looking for this bullish buy side momentum to hold us above 96.50. That's this blue line right here. Looking for that break of these highs around 99. Take us up to 02.50. So bring this down to 02.50. Initially we're looking at 03. Decided to take it down to 02.50. Now that round number of 900, potential resistance, but with NQ just looking for a break of it towards our 250s. If it pulls back after that, makes no difference to me. I would have hit my target. So again, another closer at 96.50. I need to see the break away from 96.50. 96.50 showing itself a bit too many times here. Looking for that move through 99.50. So we should be about to get our target. Should I just hit my target there? What's happening? Did I get just missed by one tick or something? Oh my word, I was missed by a tick. Goodness me. Come on. Come on. Oh my word, really? Jeez Louise. By a single tick. Now, do I take it off? Do I take it off? I'm going to hold it. I'm going to hold it. Should have probably trailed up aggressively there. So we're going back up. 99.50. Can we get above 900? Above 900. Couple ticks away from my target. 900. 901. Couple ticks. 901.50. That was just 4 ticks away. Goodness me. 901 again. 6 ticks away. Can we close near the highs here? Can we close near the highs here?
Target
There we
filled.
go. Hit my target. Hit my target of 902.50. So another success right there. another success. Didn't quite see the pullback we would have wanted to go long, but went long off this bull flag. This move up, bull flag, break of this consolidation. This consolidation area here had a strong surge through there, didn't encounter much resistance. Had a bit of a flag built up here around 96.50. Took this bullish candle, stop, somewhat lower, and at HL5 stop. Took the long, looked at the next level up, looking at 902, 903, decided to take that 902.50, 2 ticks below, and the target was hit, and that's where we fought back to today. So we're just going to close it off there today. Yeah, this is what we're going to have to do. Not going to let greed play much of a factor as it has in the past. So that's where we wrap up. 1 hour 40 minutes or so from where we initially started. We'll get our seem to be missing the trade performance. Okay, need to add a trade performance. So there we go. So trade performance today, there's what we netted after commissions. Profit factor is fairly low, nearly 1 point, nearly at 1, 71% profitable. Average winner is almost half the size of the average loser, which is not great at all. Largest winner bigger than our largest loser, which is okay. Max consecutive winners, that probably contributed with the smaller winners. Do have the losers. Analysis, that's daily, half hour of the day. So that was just initially seeing how this account would work, so we have to discount that. So during lunchtime, I had some difficulties there. Managed to make a significant portion back, so we dug ourselves a bit of a hole. Managed to dig ourselves, get a portion of it back. There's okay, so that winner there, why is that not dollar signs? Let's have a look at our cumulative net. As we can see, with the cumulative net, dug ourselves a hole, built back, made a deeper hole right there, and eventually got ourselves out to end the day positive. So from the lows there to where we're ending the day up. So yeah, that's just gonna end this recording. Still some work to do, still quite a bit of work to do, especially after considering the hole we dug ourselves. Certainly means that we have got a fair bit of work to do before we go back into the evaluation environment. And if we do go back in, we're gonna have to tiptoe back in. And yeah, that's just gonna wrap it up for today. Thanks for watching.